So we get lots of questions about, sump pump maintenance and longevity and known problems. So I wanted to kind of go over a couple things. So some common problems is with sump pumps. They are almost always related to the float switch. That's why most of your specs and stuff that people brag about are the float switch. How many cycles can the float switch do? Rarely to never are you going to get a crawl space or basement that will outwork your pump. But what it will do will run so much that the float switch gets worn out or it gets stuck or the float switch isn't reliable, which is kind of why we switched to our own branded ones.